this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your RedNote account. So what you're going to do for this is you're going to click on the top left 3 stripes. And from there, we're going to the bottom right and then over to settings. From settings, we're going to general settings. We're going to account security. And then we scroll all the way down and there we see account cancellation. And when you click on this, you see that everything is in Chinese. But if you want to know what it's saying, you can make a screenshot of this. Then you can select all the text, which I will be doing right now. And then I click on translate. And as you can see in here, it says, please verify your identity first. Enter the verification code received by the account binding mobile phone for verification. And this is basically saying that you need to enter your phone number and then with the verification code that will be sent to your phone number, then you will be able to delete and cancel your account. So that's what you are doing in this screen. So if you want to cancel your account, you need to follow these steps. And if this video helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one. Bye bye.